n terms of some other special series, like the series of natural numbers, series of squares of natural number, series of cube of natural number, like this. So first one is the sum of first n natural numbers, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 till n. So what is the sum? The sum is, see, this is an AP. The first term is 1, and what is the common difference? The common difference is also 1. Now here this sum of n terms is what? N by 2, and inside this you can have a plus L. A is the first term, L is the last term, so it will be n by 2, a plus L, 1 plus n, and that is n plus 1 by 2. So this is the sum of first n natural numbers. The second one is the sum of squares of first n natural numbers, that is, we have to find out 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square till n square. So how do we do this? Now you have to understand this very well, because the questions are also sometimes in this way, that you have to solve in this manner only. So the proof of this theorem is actually the solution of various questions. So just see that this x plus 1 whole cube minus x cube is what? X plus 1 whole cube, you can use the formula a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, a plus b. Now this equals 3x square plus 3x plus 1, and we already know this. Now let us put say x equals 1 here. What do you get? 1 plus 1, 2. 2 cube minus 1 cube, and here what do you get? 3 into 1 square plus 3 into 1 plus 1. Now put x equals 2. What do you get? You get 3 cube minus 2 cube, and now here you have to put n equals 2. 3 2 square plus 3 into 2 plus 1. Now likewise you can put this x equals 3 also. So you get 4 cube minus 3 cube equals 3 multiplied by 3 square plus 3 dot 3 plus 1. I am putting x as 1 to 3 here. Now coming to this last term, which is your, say, x equals n. What do you get? N plus 1 whole cube minus n cube equals 3n square plus 3n plus 1. Now let us add this column wise. That is, we are adding it column wise. If you add this one and this one, what do you get? See, if you add this one, this 2 cube gets cancelled, 3 cube gets cancelled. So here it would be n cube minus n minus 1 whole cube for x equals n minus 1, right? So this also gets cancelled, this gets cancelled, this gets cancelled, so this also gets cancelled. So finally, and this would have be cancelled by the previous one. Finally what we get? We get n plus 1 whole cube only, and this minus 1 cube. What about this one? What about this one? Now we are adding it column wise, so we are adding it. So let us take this first column, 3 common. What do you get? 1 square plus 2 square till n square plus. Now adding this column, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. So take 3 common. You get 1 plus 2 plus 3 n. And then we have a 1 1 1 n times. So you can just write 1 1 1 n times. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, like this, n times. So here what do you get? See, n plus 1 whole cube minus n in minus 1 cube equals, this is 3 and sigma. We write sigma because 1 to n, sigma k equals 1 to n, and what is this? K square. You can take any k here, k square. So this will summarize this series. And now coming to this one, plus 3 sigma k equals 1 to n, and here k plus, and this is how, and how much? N times. So you get a n here. Now we have this one. If you open this from this formula only, you can just find it out what you are going to get. This is the formula. So you can easily see that you are going to get this because here it is n, and I'll change this one and this one also. So if you open this, n plus 1 whole cube, a cube plus b, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, a plus b, and then subtract 1. So what do you get? N cube plus 3n square plus 3n equals 3. Now this one I am taking it as, say, p. Why? Because this is what we want. This is p. This is what we wanted. And plus 3 into, and we already know this sigma k equals 1 to n. We already seen this. This is n plus 1 by 2. So I can write it as n plus 1 by 2. And here we have n. Now I can take this 3p on one side and others on other side. So we have 3, this p equals this n cube plus 3n square plus 3n and minus 3n n plus 1 by 2, and of course we have this minus n also. I am taking here also. So we get, when we solve this one, all these we solve, we get 3p as n plus 1, 2n plus 1, right, by 2. So p equals n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 3 to the 6. So this is so sigma of this series, or you can say sigma n square equals the n plus 1, 2n plus 1, or rather you can do like this, k square, and from k equals 1 to n. So this is the sum of the squares of first n natural number. Similarly, I'll not prove it, but I'll just tell you that sum of the cubes of first n natural numbers, that is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube n cube equals n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Now here I'm just giving you an idea. You just try to solve. It will be x plus 1 whole 4 minus x4 equals 4x cube plus 6x square plus 4x plus 1. Just put 1, 2, 3 like this. Here you already know this thing. We have already computed in the previous discussion just now. This also know, sigma x square you know, sigma x you know. This you will find out. So eventually it will come as this one. This is the final solution. Okay. Same thing we are going to do. Same thing exactly we are going to do. This sigma is a Greek term. This sigma is a Greek term, and we use it for addition. We use it for addition. And let me tell you one more thing. Sigma n4, this equals, that is 1, 4, 2 power 4, 3 raise 4, like this, n raise 4, and this equals n plus 1, 2n plus 1, 3n square plus 3n minus 1 by 30. This is one of the result. So what we have to do is, first there are certain steps, algorithm to solve any question. We need to write the nth term of the series. We need to simplify the nth series and express it as a polynomial in n, that is Tn in the form of, say, an cube, bn, like this. Tn equals, I'm just giving you an example, an cube plus bn square plus cn plus d, and we take this summation from 1 to n. If this is summation, you take from k equals 1 to n, here also sigma k equals 1 to n, like this, sigma k equals 1 to n, sigma k equals 1 to n, and then using the formula of sigma k square and sigma k cube, we obtain the sum, right? So I will try to take a question on this. So this is a NCERT question. We have to find out the sum of the series, which is 3.8, 3 multiplied by 8, plus 6.11 plus 9.14, and this goes up to n terms. So let us say Tn is your nth term, and what you are going to get, this is the nth term of 369, that is 3, 6, 9, and since it is multiplication, the last term will be what? Nth term of this one and nth term of this one. Say we have this last term as P into Q. So this is P, nth term of 3, 6, 9 multiplied by this one Q. Nth term is the nth term of 8, 11 and 14, like this. Now this is a AP. So what is the nth term? A plus n minus 1 into D. What is A? 3 plus n minus 1 into D. What is D? 6 minus 3, 3. Multiplied by, what is A here? 8. This is again an AP. 8 plus n minus 1 into D. So what do you get when you multiply this? I'll just write the final one, 9n square plus 15n. Now we have to find out this sum. So let us say that Sn denotes this sigma k equals 1 to n, and this is the term 9n square plus 15n. Now we will not write n here, we will write k, 15k, because from 1 to n is already taken care. So 9k square plus 15 into this k. Now this can be written as 9 sigma k equals 1 to n and k square plus 15. Now sigma k equals 1 to n k. Now we already know what is sigma k square. The sigma k square is what? n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6 and 15. What is sigma k? n plus 1 by 2. We already know this. We have proved these two. And when we solve this, you are going to get Sn as 3n, n plus 1 and n plus 3. So this is the final solution when you solve it. So these are the ways in which we employ these series, and these are very important series. These are the series which we are going to use again and again, sigma k and sigma k square and sigma k cube. Now there are sometimes method of difference I am discussing. Sometimes the nth term of a series cannot be determined by the methods which we discussed just now. If a series is such that the difference between successive terms are either in AP or GP, then we determine its nth term by the method of difference, and then find the sum of the series by using the formula, that is sigma n square and sigma n cube. The method of difference, let us take an example, then you understand that what I am trying to suggest, that how we are going to do this. Let us take a question and then understand this. Say we have to find out the sum of the series 3 plus 15 plus 35. Now if you see that if we take the difference, 15 minus 3, it is 12, 35 minus 15 is 20. So the differences, these terms 3, 15, 35 are not in AP. If you take one more term, say 63. So we have 15 minus 3 is 12, 35 minus 15 is 20, and 63 minus 35 is 28. These are not in AP, but these are, the differences are. That is 12, 20, 28. 20 minus 12 is 8, 28 minus 20 is 8. Now this is in AP, this is not in AP. So we will use the method of subtraction. So how do we do that? We write like this: Sn equals 3 plus 15 plus 35 plus 63, and this goes up to Tn minus 1 plus Tn. Now we write another sum, but we start not from here, from here. First time I am writing here, okay, just shifting a bit, shifting one bit you can say. So I am writing 3 here, same series I am writing, but just shift it. 3 here, and then we have 15 here, 35 here, and then this will be, because I have shifted it, so below this Tn will have Tn minus 1, and here we have Tn. Now we will subtract this. We will subtract these two. Subtracting, this is 1 and this is 2. So we are subtracting 2 from 1. So 1 minus 2 we are doing. So what do we get? Sn minus Sn, this is 0. Here 3, let us assume this is 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. 15 minus 3 is 12. 35 minus 15 is 20. And then we have 28. And then we go up to Tn minus 1, this one. And finally you have Tn. Now this is from here, as I said, from here till these terms. These are in from 12 to Tn. These are of course in AP. These are in AP. So let us find out the sum. 0 equals 3 plus, and what is the sum? N by 2. And since terms are Tn minus 1, because one term is less, one is already taken. So we have n minus 1 by 2, 2a. What is the first term? 12 plus n minus 1, and since n minus, because last term is n minus 1. Okay, last term is n minus 1. So we have n minus 1 minus 1 into d. What is d? 8. So what do you get here? When you solve this, you are going to get the 3 plus n minus 1, and then you have 12 plus 4n minus 8. And when you just solve these two, this is going to be Tn. Just see that this is our, I am bringing this Tn here. I am bringing this Tn here. Let us assume that I am bringing minus Tn here. So we have from here to here, last term is Tn minus 1, we have already seen. So we took this n minus 1 here, and Tn will be what? 3 plus this term, this whole, and this is going to be 4n square minus 1. If we just compute it, this will be 4n square minus 1. So what is the sum? Sn will be sigma of this Tk from k equals 1 to n. That is, this Tk is nothing but 4k square minus 1 sigma. This will be 4 into sigma k equals 1 to n k square minus sigma k equals 1 to n, that is 1. Now this is already know, we know this one, 4 into n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6, and this minus, this is 1, and since it is from 1 to n, this will be n, and when you solve it, you are going to get n by 3, 4n square plus 6n minus 1. So this is the final solution. Now the thing is, take these terms, write them, because this series is not in AP, but the difference is in AP. That is why we take this Sn, then we shift it, and then we subtract it. This will come here. And other terms, because since we already used one of the term, it will be till we are not taking n terms. See, already when we take sum of n terms, it will be n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. But the term here is n minus 1. So because we have already taken one of these, and this Tn is not we are taking, we have to take it here. We will bring it here, because Sn minus Sn will be 0. This will be n minus 1 term, so n minus 1 we are using, and this again n minus 1 we are using, and finally we use this sigma, and sigma k square is the main thing which we used, and this is the final solution. So this was the method of difference we are going to adopt when we see that the normal thing, where it is not in AP or GP. Now there is one more thing, summation of some special series, that is some these 1 by a plus d, like this. Then we have plus 1 by a plus d, a plus 2d, like this. And this goes up to 1 by a plus n minus 2 into d, and a plus n minus 1 into d. So here the final sum of this will be, again we'll use the way of difference, and final, if we solve it, it will come as n minus 1 by a plus n minus 1 into d. I'll take an example and try to explain this, that how do we get it, and you will know the proof also, that how when we added this one, this came. And if you assume that this is a plus d, a plus n minus 1 into td, this is a plus d, a plus 2d. So there are certain terms which are in AP, but they are in the denominator. So let me take a question, and then you will be able to understand. The question is, we have to find out the sum of the series as n. The series is 1 by 1.2 plus 1 by 2.3 plus 1 by 3.4. This goes up to 1 by n plus 1. And this is a NCERT question. So what is the TR term? If you say any TR term, what will be TR term? If this is 1 by r plus 1 is the TR term. This is TR term. That is how this has come. This TR has come from 1 by r minus 1 by r plus 1. Okay. This is what? If I compute it, it will be r plus 1 minus r by r plus 1. So it is 1 by r plus 1 only. This is TR term. Now we'll employ this one. We have to take sigma r equals 1 to n TR. This is nothing but equal to sigma r equals 1 to n and 1 by r minus 1 by r plus 1. Okay. So first we'll take 1. This is going to be 1 by 1 minus r is 1. So 1 by 2 plus. Now we put 2. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. This goes up and this goes up to 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. So if you see, this 1 by 2 gets cancelled, 1 by 3 will be cancelled, and this all term will be cancelled. Only this 1 and this last term will remain. So the final solution is 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. So these are the summation of some special series when we have in the denominator. This time we will be solving this kind of questions often when we deal with the exercise. So this is all about this exercise. Main is sigma n square and sigma n cube. These are the main you have to remember. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.